Hey guys, Tom here from Growth Hacker, and in this video I want to talk about long form landing pages. Okay, so a landing page is typically where most of your content is going to be housed, and it is going to be the point at which your prospects make a decision as to whether they want to take things further. So it's really crucial that we get a good conversion rate on this page. And in this video, I want to show you how to make long form landing pages that have a lot of content that maximize your chances of conversion by educating the buyer on the things that you can do to help them achieve a transformation. Okay, so let's get into this now. I'm going to break down all of the different sections one by one and show you a little bit of an example from one of the landing pages that I have as part of one of my funnels. So let's dive into the laptop and get started. Okay guys, so this is a live landing page that I use in one of my funnels. Now before we get into running through the landing page, I'd like to give you an overview of this. So we're going to start out with a headline, the transformation that you're going to be able to help people to go through, and the tools that you use to do that. That should be like a two-liner, which we'll look at in a second. Next, your video sales message. This is the key part of the landing page. You're going to put a video there that is going to be 45 minutes up to 90 minutes long. So this is the real chance to drop value, show that you're an authority and that you can help your clients to achieve their goals. Okay, there's no way that people would stay on your page for 90 minutes if the video wasn't there, but if the video is there, people will be willing to engage and to gives you a lot of time to educate them. Next up, social proof and testimonials. This is all to show that you can back up the claim that you made in your headline and that you're the real deal, and show that with real results, real dashboards and that sort of thing. People really prefer to see things for themselves, so show them. Next up, you're going to either qualify or disqualify people by saying who this is for. This builds up a lot of trust, showing that you're not someone who wants to try and work with anyone or just take money off anyone who's willing to work with you. You have a specific group that you want to work with, and this will really resonate with the people who are a good fit for you as well. Next up, you're going to outline the options that the client has. So you're going to show them that the different ways that they could achieve the goals, one of which will be working with you, and you're going to basically show that by working with you, they're going to be able to get things done either better, faster, or cheaper. Okay, so that's what you want to show them in terms of the options, but also demonstrating to them that they don't have to work with you. Because if people feel like they're backed in a corner, they tend to exhibit reactance where they just kind of like knee-jerk away from doing business with you. So show them that there are options, but give them reasons why you are the best option for them. Next up, features and outcomes. So we want to show the 3 or 4 things that our product does and the outcomes that those achieve and how it's better than what is currently out there. And then specifically the black and white of what you get as a client. Okay, that is really important, because some people want to know specifically. So for my program, you get a weekly coaching call, you get access to the information product, you get email support. All of that stuff are things that people need to know. So that's more of the black and white, whereas the features and outcomes are the 3 to 4 main things. Next up, you will put your offer and call to action for the next step that people need to take. And then you would have a question and answer and an origin story as well. Okay, so just looking at that here, this is my landing page. You can go and take a look through it. I'll link it above. You can see my video sales message here, and then I go into a lot of detail with the case study. There's a video of the case study and what's been achieved with other clients. I then get into a bit more detail of that case study, as I said. I then am going to qualify or disqualify, give the options, show people what's going to happen if they work with us and the results that they're going to get. Then I get into my individual features. So I think I've got 4 or 5 features here. What you get, the offer, and then a money back guarantee, and then the FAQ, followed by my origin story as well. Okay, so you can see there that maps exactly to the to this document here, to the blueprint. If you need help setting this up, if you're thinking of making a funnel, your landing page is so important and you need to get it right. So if you want help making this and you want to build high conversion funnels, then let me know. I hope you find this useful, and I'll see you in the next video.